Buy the wrong pressure washer, and you're stuck with weak spray, constant leaks, and hundreds of dollars wasted. That's why we tested the best-selling pressure washers of 2026 to find which ones actually hold up. Today, we're counting down the top 5 ranked on cleaning power, durability, and value. Stay until our number 1 pick, because it offers the best balance of all 3 for most homeowners. If you want serious cleaning power without paying premium prices, the Greenworks 3000 psi brushless electric pressure washer is a great place to start. It's got enough muscle to handle dirty driveways, patios, fences, even your car, pretty much any tough outdoor job you can throw at it. And for the price, that kind of performance is honestly hard to beat. One of the best things about this machine is the brushless motor. It runs quieter, lasts longer, and needs way less maintenance than the older brushed motors most budget models still use. That means less time worrying about repairs, and more time actually getting the job done. For most homeowners, that's a smarter long-term investment worth paying attention to. It also comes with multiple quick connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle for stubborn grime and a soap nozzle for washing your car. So whether you're blasting mud off a fence or giving your car a proper wash, you're not stuck buying extra accessories just to get the job done right. On top of that, you get large wheels, onboard storage, and a built-in detergent tank. That means it's easy to move around your yard, easy to store in your garage, and easy to use without digging around for extra bottles or hoses every single time. Now, here's the one thing you should know before buying. This unit is built for home use. If you're running a cleaning business or need something for heavy commercial jobs every single day, a gas-powered model is going to hold up better under that kind of demand. But if you're a homeowner looking for strong performance, low maintenance, and real value for your money, the Greenworks 3000 psi comfortably earns the number 5 spot on our list. It checks almost every box most people actually need it to. And if you're willing to spend a little more for even better performance, our next pick is definitely worth sticking around for. If you're looking for a reliable electric pressure washer for home use, the Kärcher K1700 is one of the easiest models to recommend. Built by one of the most trusted names in outdoor cleaning, it delivers dependable performance for driveway cleaning, washing cars, patios, sidewalks, fences, and other everyday jobs around the house. One feature that really stands out here is Kärcher's Quick Connect system. Setup is fast, no fumbling around, no wasted time. You also get 3 spray nozzles, so you can switch between different cleaning jobs in just seconds instead of constantly swapping accessories out. The onboard detergent tank is another nice touch, especially if you're washing your car or need to apply soap before tackling stubborn dirt and grime. Despite all that power, the K1700 stays pretty compact and lightweight. That makes it easy to move around the yard, and easy to tuck away in the garage without it eating up a bunch of space. Kärcher has earned a strong reputation for building pressure washers that are dependable and built to last with proper care. Now, if you're planning to scrub down big concrete driveways every single weekend, or you're doing heavy commercial work, you'll probably want something with more water flow and more raw power. But for everyday home maintenance, washing your car, and seasonal outdoor cleaning, the Kärcher K1700 hits a really solid balance of performance, convenience, and reliability. That's exactly why it earns the number 4 spot on our list. Coming up next, you'll see a pressure washer that delivers even more cleaning power and outstanding overall value, one you won't want to miss. If you're looking for one of the best electric pressure washers for everyday home use, the Sun Joe is a great option to consider. It delivers dependable performance for driveway cleaning, washing cars, patios, fences, decks, and pretty much any outdoor job you deal with throughout the year. One of its biggest advantages is how easy it is to own. Since it's electric, there's no gas to refill, no oil changes, and barely any maintenance to worry about. You just connect the hose, plug it in, and you're ready to go. No complicated setup, no waiting around. It also comes with multiple quick connect spray nozzles, so you can switch between delicate surfaces and stubborn grime in just seconds. The built-in detergent tank comes in handy too, especially for washing vehicles or tackling greasy outdoor messes that build up over time. Despite all that performance, the Sun Joe stays lightweight and easy to move around your property. Large wheels and onboard storage keep everything organized and within reach whenever you need it, whether it's sitting in your garage or out in the driveway. The only downside is that it's built for residential use. If you regularly take on demanding commercial cleaning jobs, you'll want something with more raw power behind it. But for homeowners who want dependable performance, simple operation, and real value for their money, the Sun Joe comfortably earns the number 3 spot on our list. Up next, we're looking at a pick with even stronger cleaning performance and some premium features that are definitely worth knowing about before you buy. If you need more cleaning power for tougher jobs without paying commercial grade prices, the Greenworks 3000 psi brushless electric pressure washer is a serious step up. It's built for driveway cleaning, patios, brick walls, fences, siding, the kind of demanding outdoor jobs that push smaller machines past their limits. One of its biggest advantages is the high-efficiency brushless motor. It runs cooler, quieter, and it's built for greater long-term durability compared to traditional brushed motors. It also holds strong, consistent pressure through longer cleaning sessions, so stubborn grime doesn't stand much of a chance. You've also got multiple quick connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle and a soap nozzle, so switching between deep cleaning and more delicate jobs takes seconds, not minutes. A sturdy wheeled frame and onboard storage keep everything organized, and moving it around your property is easy, even with all that added power under the hood. The only real downside is that it's a bit heavier than smaller entry-level electric pressure washers. But honestly, that's a fair trade-off for the extra power and durability you're getting in return. For homeowners who want premium residential performance without stepping into full commercial territory, the Greenworks 3000 psi comfortably earns the number 2 spot on our list. But if you're after the best all-around electric pressure washer of 2026, stick around. Our number 1 pick outperforms everything we've covered so far. If you're looking for the best electric pressure washer of 2026, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is the one we'd recommend to most homeowners. It combines strong cleaning power, smart design, and outstanding value. Whether it's driveway cleaning, washing your car, patios, sidewalks, fences, or outdoor furniture, this machine handles the kind of performance most people actually need. One of the biggest reasons it stands out is the compact, anti-tipping design. Unlike tall pressure washers that constantly fall over while you're pulling the hose, the EPX 3500 stays planted, making longer cleaning sessions a lot less frustrating. It also delivers strong, consistent water pressure that cuts through mud, mildew, and stubborn dirt without ever feeling underpowered. Multiple quick connect nozzles and the onboard detergent tank let you switch from deep concrete cleaning to washing your car in seconds. It's also easy to move and store. Even with all that performance, it's compact enough to fit neatly in most garages, and the hose, cord, and accessories all stay organized for next time. Now, no pressure washer is perfect. If you're running a cleaning business or using a machine all day, every day, you'll still want a heavy-duty gas model. But for homeowners, this is exactly where the EPX 3500 shines: premium performance without the extra cost, maintenance, or noise of gas-powered units. If you want the best balance of power, reliability, and value, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is the one we'd confidently choose ourselves. That's exactly why it earns the #1 spot on our list.